Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make yourself visible to friends and users you follow and your followers on your account on Roblox. Easy and quick. First click here and now click settings. Now click account information. Now here you will find it and here just click on it, friends, users you follow and your followers, and click save and it will be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.